Hey, I just wanted to come on real quick to show you a few textiles that I just recently purchased. And this will be like a 5-minute quick little video. I even may make it into a reel, I'm not sure, I don't know, or story or something. So I got a couple of vintage, I'm gonna include a little video clip of this estate sale I went to this last weekend. And I got some new in the package vintage pillowcases, and I love this one. It's got the daisies and it has roses on here too. And so anyway, I thought I had to get it. The other thing is I had to get this one too. It had daisies. This was new in the package. I've washed these and ironed them, so they are all ready for me to use. And I use the daisy ones. I don't cut them up. I use them in my vintage camper. I have a 1964 vintage camper. So I have all kinds of daisy stuff inside of it for my bedding. Then I saw this one, and I had these sheets when I was before middle school, elementary school. I had these sheets because I had yellow shag carpet in my room. And anyway, when I saw it, I was like, oh my goodness, I had these sheets as a little girl. So I was like, what? These are going in my personal, that's going in my personal journal, or I may even just keep it like it is. The other thing I got was one of those vintage card tablecloths. And I'm gonna use this to make my envelopes to cover, to put my cookbook journals in. And it has, because it has like fruits, and I may even use it in gardening, a gardening journal one day, because it does have the shovel and the rake, and I thought that was kind of neat. I don't know how much I can get out of this, but we will try. So I got that. And then I found two of these. I guess they were making pillows with them. I'm not really sure. It's on Flour Sack. And, but anyway, I had to get them. Oh my goodness. Look how cute they are. So I got those. That's all hand done. And then this one. So I found these two. Isn't that sweet? So I don't know what I'm gonna do with those, but they'd make cute pockets. They'd be cute on the cover of a journal. And yeah, I don't know, they'd be a really cute pocket. Okay, so I got those. They might be a little bit big for a pocket. Then I got a quilt that I can cut up. So I don't know if you guys can see this. It might be a little close on the video. And but it's all worn pastel-y. Some of it's feed sack cloth. Some of it's there's like clothing here. And there's even like seersucker, and it has just great color combinations. And anyway, so I picked this up at that estate sale. You'll see it in the video. It was in the big pile. And yeah, so that was it. That's my haul video for this week. Thanks for joining me. I'll be back for some crafting, and you keep crafting, and I will see you soon. Click the like, the subscribe if you're not following me, and hit the notification bells to find out when I am going to post something new. You'll get notified, and also if I go live, you'll get a notification, which I've been doing a couple lives recently, and I am not saving my lives. Apparently, I don't know if the YouTube issue is with the live videos, like saving them. I don't know. I just kind of heard through the grapevine. I don't know if that's true. If anybody knows, please comment below and let me know if you get dinged for saving your live videos. Okay, I will see you later. Bye, guys.